In this section, we will learn how to add products using Inventory File Uploader. Navigate to your inventory on your Amazon Seller Central and click on Add Products via Upload. Click on Download an Inventory File button. Select the category of products that you want to sell, and you can select multiple categories if you like. Click on the Generate Template button below to generate an Excel sheet where you can input new product details in bulk and upload it directly to Amazon. Open the inventory file template and fill in the necessary fields. After you are done with the inventory file, go back to your Amazon Seller Central and click on Upload your inventory file. Remember to choose the file type as Inventory Loader File. Choose your file from your browser and click Upload. If there are any kind of problems with the file, you will get a status update on the Monitor Upload Status tab.